begin, take in the design. The first Nespresso VertuoLine machine, a truly unique innovation in coffee preparation that lets you make freshly brewed coffee and authentic espresso. Enjoy your perfect coffee simply at the touch of a button. Switch the machine on. In just 15 seconds, it's ready to use. Effortlessly remove the water tank and replace. Choose from 2 different capsule sizes, one for coffee and the other for espresso. Position the cup support according to your choice. Open the extraction head and place a capsule in the machine with the flat surface facing upwards. Ensure that the marks are aligned. Then, begin the coffee brewing process simply by pressing the button. The machine reads a barcode on the capsule, which detects the coffee blend. This determines the brewing process to deliver the perfect in-cup result. First, the capsule is pre-wetted, and then it begins to spin, extracting the coffee. The machine operates using revolutionary centrifusion technology, so you get a coffee with a rich, smooth crema, which enhances your tasting pleasure. After 9 minutes at rest, the machine automatically switches off. The capsule is ejected into the container below, and you're ready again to experience a perfect coffee moment, courtesy of the revolutionary VertuoLine system. Enrich your coffee experience by creating smooth, creamy, milk-based coffee recipes with the Aeroccino Plus. The Aeroccino Plus comes with 2 whisks, one for milk and the other for hot or cold milk froth. Let's make a latte macchiato. The lowest line shows the quantity of milk for a milk froth. The highest one is for hot milk. For cold milk froth, just press the button for 2 seconds until the blue light appears. Or press lightly, the light turns red, and the Aeroccino makes hot milk froth. After 50 seconds, the Aeroccino switches off automatically and the hot froth is ready. Place the cup under the machine to make an espresso. And your latte is ready to drink. It's that simple. After every use, the Aeroccino and whisk can be easily washed with cold water and a soft sponge. With your Aeroccino, you're now ready to create amazing milk-based coffee recipes for you, your family, and friends to enjoy at home.